Good morning and welcome you all for this unique webinar, Secrets of Financial Independence. Let me share my screen first. Just a few seconds. I'm just opening my chat box so that I can see chats also. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, friends, good morning and welcome you all. First of all, thank you so much for giving your valuable time for this 1 hour session. And it shows people actually you are very serious about money and your financial future. That's why you have taken a decision for giving your valuable time for this. Okay, just a moment. Chat box, some problem is there. I'm just clicking it. So, okay, I'm sure this 1 hour will not be wasted. I can guarantee you what you are going to learn in this 1 hour, it will not be wasted at all. You will be a different person all put together after this 1 hour. Okay, so we'll proceed further and let me tell you what you are going to learn in this webinar. Okay, so what you will discover in this meeting, let us start with this. First of all, what are the common financial mistakes you must avoid? बहुत सारे mistakes हम लोग करते हैं लाइफ जर्नी में, वो कैसे कौन से mistakes है, how to avoid those, we are going to learn on this, friends. Second, how you can become financially free within 10 to 15 years by following simple 7 steps to financial freedom approach. ये भी हम देखने वाले हैं. Then how to manage your cash flow effectively to ensure that right amount of money is available at right time. ये भी हम लोग डिस्कवर करेंगे ये वेबिनार में. And lastly, 7 thumb rules for financial peace and happiness. Financial happiness के लिए कौन से thumb rules है, ये भी हम लोग जानेंगे. Okay, so ये सब बताने के लिए मुझे एटलीस्ट 45 to 50 मिनट्स लगेंगे दोस्तों. तो आपके पास इतना टाइम है तो वेल एंड गुड. ओके, सो बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग, ये जो डिस्कशन मैं करने वाला हूँ, ये करने से पहले, इज इट ओके फॉर यू इफ आई टेल लिटिल बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ, व्हाट आई डू, व्हाई वी डू, हु वी आर, is it okay? So friends, I am Shailendra Rahigude. First of all, due to this corona crisis, we are meeting online. Okay, पहले तो हम लोग मीटिंग किया करते थे फिजिकली, सेमिनार्स हुआ करते थे, उसमें इंटरेक्शन हुआ करता था. नाउ कोरोना हैज फोर्स्ड अस टू मीट ऑनलाइन, सो वी आर मीटिंग ऑनलाइन. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आई एम शैलेंद्र रायगुडे. आई एम a financial happiness coach, and we at Aditi Investments, we help people to achieve financial freedom and live financially stress-free life. Friends, I am also a certified MFD by AMFI, that is a mutual fund distributor, as well as I am CIA certified by IRDA. CIA is for Certified Insurance Advisor, and I am also certified as MFP, that is Magnetic Financepreneur. This certification is by Next Level Education. And friends, I am also certified, I am also pursuing rather for the EFP, that is Excellent Financepreneur. That will be again a certification by Next Level Education. And friends, I am also pursuing certification by AAFM, that is American Academy of Financial Management. That certification is for CPFS. By the way, how many of you know about CPFS? Have you heard about it? I want to answer in the chat box. Anybody who knows CPFS? Okay, friends, let it be. Okay, CPFS, before going CPFS, how many of you know about CA? CA तो सब लोग जानते रहेंगे, Chartered Accountant, is it? Okay, so like CA is for Chartered Accountant, this CPFS, this stands for Certified Personal Finance Specialist. Okay, Chartered Accountant किसमें specialist होते हैं? They are specialist in accounting, taxation. Similarly, CPFS is specialized in personal finance and wealth management. Okay, so we are specialized in personal finance and wealth management. Friends, let me tell you one thing. In India, all put together, investment and insurance, all put together, there are around 15 lakh advisors. And among these 15 lakh advisors, only 2,000, friends, only 2,000 advisors are CPFA certified. And I'm glad to be a part of that fraternity very soon. Okay. And friends, we are also managing wealth for more than 350 families who are on the journey of achieving financial freedom. Our client base includes corporates, right from junior management to senior management, doctors, lawyers, businessmen, etc. And we have also tied up with national distributor called NJ India Invest for as our technology partner. Okay, shall I proceed? So friends, before going to next, this was all about who we are. In my opinion, who we are is not that much important. What is most important is what we do and why we do. So let me introduce, friends, our mission. Okay, and this is our mission, friends. Our mission is, we are on a mission to transform lives of 5,000 families by educating them about financial literacy, empowering them to live financially confident, happy, and stress-free life through our SMM and WTF strategy. I know there will be questions in your mind about SMM. What is SMM? What is WTF? I will come to that. But before that, मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ दोस्तों, वी आर ऑन दिस मिशन. और मैं अगर आज जिंदा हूँ, अगर ये प्रोफेशन में हूँ, अगर ये बिजनेस में हूँ, उसकी एक और एक ही वजह है, ये हमारा मिशन, कम से कम 5,000 फैमिलीज को फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम दिलाना. और मैं बताना चाहता हूँ दोस्तों, ये मिशन मैंने क्यों लिया, व्हाई आई हैव टेकन दिस मिशन. दोस्तों, बचपन में हम खेलते कूदते हैं, पढ़ाई करते हैं, पढ़ाई करते करते हम लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं, कॉलेज में जाते हैं, ग्रेजुएट होते हैं, फिर अगेन अर्निंग के चैनल्स ओपन हो जाते हैं, कोई लोग जॉब करने लगते हैं, मेनी पीपल स्टार्ट डूइंग बिजनेस, अर्निंग करने लगते हैं. ड्यूरिंग दिस कोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग कोई फ्रेंड मिलता है, कोई रिलेटिव मिलता है, कोई फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस देता है, अपना नॉलेज होता है, और ये आधा अधूरा नॉलेज लेके हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग कर लेते हैं. और ये करते समय देयर आर सो मेनी मिस्टेक्स वी आर मेकिंग, सो मेनी गलतियां वी आर मेकिंग. फ्रेंड्स, मैं भी आपके जैसा ही बचपन में पढ़ाई किया, कॉलेज गया, ग्रेजुएट बना, आई एम ए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर था, कभी कॉर्पोरेट में जॉब करता था, और ये जॉब करते करते आजू बाजू देखता था, चाहे सैलरी 10,000 हो, 1 लाख हो, 10 लाख हो, सबका फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन एट द एंड ऑफ मंथ सेम, हैंड टू माउथ सिचुएशन. आप कितना भी कमाओ, इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है दोस्तों. इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, हाउ यू मैनेज योर मनी, हाउ यू मैनेज योर मनी, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड इसी इरादे को लेकर फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन लोगों को देना एंड फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम दिलाना, इसी इरादे को लेकर हम ये अपना मिशन लेके चल रहे हैं दोस्तों. सो आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, वी आर हैविंग स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर SMM एंड WTF फॉर आवर financial planning. So let me come to the point, financial planning, through which I am going to explain you what is our scientific money management process, that is SMM. Okay, so before proceeding, बहुत सारे लोगों ने सुना रहेगा दोस्तों फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग क्या होता है. So let me ask you, what is your thought about financial planning? शॉर्ट में अगर चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं तो it will be very good. So let us see what is your thought about financial planning. क्या होता है फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, मतलब क्या है? आई वांट आंसर्स इन चैट बॉक्स दोस्तों. What is your thought about? There is nothing right, nothing wrong answer. You are free to express your opinions. By the way, okay, some answers I am getting. Investing money for securing better returns in future. Good. Utilization of available money. Manage the money as per situations. Planning of our money for future. So good, so good. Great. Money management, freedom from monthly expenses. A lot of answers I'm getting. Okay. So do you want to know my definition of financial planning? Still I'm getting answers. Good, very good. Stress-free utilization, planning for future. So I'm just giving my definition of financial planning. So this is my definition of financial planning. It is a process which ensures that we get right amount of money available at right point of time. It is as simple as that दोस्तों. Right amount of money available at right point of time. So अगर दोस्तों अगर आपने कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, सेविंग किया है, and you have planned in such a way that you are getting right amount of money available at your right point of time, then congratulations to you, you are doing a fantastic job. लेकिन अगर आपका आंसर नहीं है दोस्तों, आपने ऐसा कुछ प्लानिंग किया नहीं है, so you are in right place. We are going to discuss more about this.